Kevin, I think your internet is a bit bad.
My internet?
Okay, it's IK that's talking. I thought.
Yeah.
I think IK is breaking everything. Alright, so Kevin, please help me text everybody again on the group chat.
Again, I'd finished to just send the communication. Can I send again?
Yeah, you can text people on the group chat again that we are earnestly waiting for them, or I will just move on with
Okay.
class. That's at least if you guys are like 6 or 7, I'm free to go. I'll just start working. I'll just start teaching you guys already. IK, can you like mute your mic? IK, I think you're breaking like really, really bad, so you can just mute your mic. It's far better. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes? Hello?
Alright, Smog, what's up? Smog, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Alright, great. Thank you. I'm sorry for yesterday, guys. Smog, are you your PC or you're still using your phone this time around again?
I'm using my phone this around this time.
Because Smog, you can't continue doing like this. I know I told you.
I was on my PC yesterday.
Oh, you were on my PC yesterday. Oh, too bad. Sorry. What did you say?
Okay. I said okay.
All right. So guys, you guys should contact yourself. I want us to be 6 on the call before I move on, so I can get things already started. We can't waste time again. This is already 10:42. I don't want us to end the call by 12 again today. All right, so let me just move on quickly. As I said before in the former class about components and then I saw some people talking about I saw some people talking about position absolute position. Who was the person? Let me go and check the chat again. I think I was reading you guys' chat, and then somebody was like, "I'm still learning how to use position absolute," and I'm like, "Wow, nice. This guy's actually iterating," and I was really impressed.
I think that is Jeremiah.
Yeah, that was Jeremiah. Yeah, I was actually impressed. I was like, okay.
Yeah.
At least you're actually like going out of your own way to like try and like solve some things yourself, and I'm really happy about that kind of growth. Is what I really want to see, like in all of you. So all right, so minus all of that, I think I can just move now. How many are we? Are still 5. I just need one more person to join it, and then I can go on. I need one more person. You can contact Samuel Badino or somebody. I don't know. We need to be 6 on the call before we can move on. I don't want to like have the classes again. And I noticed that whenever I drop the video in the chat, not all of you actually goes to check it, and it's not really great actually. If you drop the videos, just you guys should just scrape it, and then you wait until what's the name is done. You wait until we do another class before you now like go into the video again, and then all these videos are for you. Well, all these things are out there for you, so it's your choice to consume them. I always tell you guys, learning is iterative. If you stop learning, you stop knowing. So everything is all knowledge. And then once you have a stronger foundation now, it's all better for your what's name. It's all better for the future of your learning. All right, so let me just quickly dive in. We can't wait again. I think we've waited enough time. To anybody that is not on the call, the person who watched the video. All right, so let's go. So I told you guys last week about components, and I was explaining the components individually. So you know what happened? So let me ask you guys. So generally now, how many of you actually like checked through the components tab as at yesterday till today?
Yeah, I checked. I did, but I didn't do much. Today
Okay.
was no power to power my system throughout today.
Kevin, how about
Did
you?
not do much.
Yeah, me also. I checked about the forms, navbar and the input groups.
All right. IK, okay, I've asked IK. Smog, what about you? Smog?
No, I didn't check. I didn't check.
All right, I think somebody should just admit your group chat. Who is the group admin of your group chat? I need to be in your group chat, guys.
Is somewhere about no?
I think it's Samuel.
Someone's group admin of your chat. Wow, that's a lot. I need to like text you guys on that chat so you know how serious this call is, because it's a mock-up call. It's not the company that's actually setting up the call. It's me that's setting up the call to actually cover for your classes. Yesterday was meant to be your classes, but because I felt like the learning will not flow well, that's why I'm doing this. And now you guys are not even coming to show up. How is that going to encourage me? Okay. Either ways. Okay. Either ways. Let's just move on. So, as I told you guys before, we have the components tab and we have the layout tab. We did a lot on the components tab, and then generally today I would just want to like I gave you guys an assignment that you demo on Saturday. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Are you guys doing that assignment?
Yeah.
Please be doing it. I'm begging you, because on Saturday, if you don't actually bring something that's really reasonable, I will segregate it from the class, and I know how to do that thing well. I will segregate it from the class, and then you start feeling very bad. And I don't want that kind of thing to happen to you. Just put all your heart to the assignment. Do it like you're not going to do another one again. Like try and do that thing so perfect. The way I did it in the Figma board. So yourself, you can actually like you can worthwhile. So you say that okay, I did this and I did it well. It's not like when you did somebody will say you didn't do something well. Just look at it, do it perfectly. Make sure that your code is running fine, and it must be on code pen, guys. Do you understand what I'm saying? It has to be on code pen so we can all see the way your code looks like. All right, so moving on. Let me try and share my screen. Yep. So let me share my screen. Let me just share my desktop. Okay. So generally, I was talking about. Wow. Yeah. Get the shot. All right. So we have documentations, and then so today I will just try and like build something like this. So I think I already have the mock copy on Pinterest. I saved it on my board. Yep. So that's why I wanted you guys to be on this call, because I wanted to explain the components and then build something like this today. That was the whole reason for all of these things. And now that you guys are not there, yeah, this is my landing page UI. I think I saved it on my board. Okay, these are not the things. Okay. Yep. So this is what I want us to do. I want us to do this first part, this header part today. I want us to achieve exactly the way this header part looks like. I want us to achieve it today. All right, so you guys dive into your code base. We're not going to waste plenty time because I didn't have strength to talk. Let's just dive into our code base. Create a new code called landing.html. Let's create a new file called landing.html. Are you guys in your code base? That's why I told Smog, because this thing is supposed to be hands-on. That's why I told you, Smog. It's supposed to be, all these things are supposed to be hands-on, and then you're not doing me a favor. You're doing yourself a favor. So we all have to be in sync. Now that you're not doing it, so you have to go back and go and start watching the video like you were not in the call. And it's not really healthy. But then it's all good. As against next time, always make sure that you prepare your laptop for any call whatsoever. Because you said you have to actually like continue typing with us. All right, guys, let's go. So quickly start a new HTML page. What just happened? All right, quickly start a new HTML page, and then let's go. All right, so we'll name this one landing, a landing page, a landing page. Yep. So let's connect our bootstrap. Let's connect our bootstrap link. Dot slash css slash bootstrap strap domain.css. Bootstrap domain.css. So all right, so we'll save it and then we'll name it landing.html. We'll name and name it landing.html. All right, so go back. After you're done with that, are you guys done with that?
Yeah.
Have you guys done exactly what I did and name it landing.html? Huh?
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
You guys are done? Oh my god, my screen is
Yeah.
sharing. What is that? I just totally forgot. Sorry guys. All right. Let's go. Wow. That was really unhealthy. Oh yeah, let's go. All right. All right, let's go. So let's create a new file in our what's the name, in our CSS, and then name it landing.css. So let's just save landing.css. Create a new file in your CSS folder and name it landing.css. Landing.css. Yeah. So yeah, just create a wildcard and then do margin. Jesus. Margin 0, then padding 0. After that, I want to do box sizing for the box. So the reason why I'm doing all this is just to prepare my page. All these things are actually in Java, in Bootstrap already, but I just like to repeat them for reasons I want to be sure that they are there. All right. So if you go to the I hope you guys copy that CSS correctly, or you want to see it well.
Yeah.
No, I need to cancel this WhatsApp. All right. So let's go to navbar. Yep, navbar. So let's go to navbar, and then yes. So when we get to navbar, let's try and let's go to the part that they talked about collapsible navbar. So let's pick something up from there. Yep. So this navbar is collapsible. Let's just pick this navbar. So guys, let's pick that navbar up. So pick this navbar up. The navbar on the navbar page, you will see toggler. So after the second page after toggler, you can pick any of the two actually. The two does the same thing, any of the two. But I choose to go with this one. Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Have you guys gone to copy it? Open the page, open the site and copy that part.
Good now.
If you've done that, tell me so I can paste it on my own end too. Are we good?
Yeah.
Ike, are we good? How many are we still on this call? Over 6 now.
Yeah.
Jeremiah came in on the call.
I'm
Jeremiah,
on.
Alpha,
Yeah.
are you following or you're lost? Jeremiah. Okay, I think we,
Fine.
Maybe you should chat me up because I'm just saying I'm not really like getting up. What did you say? You're following. Okay, let me just hope you said you're following. Oh yeah, let's go. So
I'm
uh,
following.
oh great. I think you're breaking like really bad. So don't worry. I'm glad you can hear me, but I can't hear you. So let's go. All right, so let's copy that code and then let's get along with it. So yeah, we'll create our normal. Jeremiah, can you let me mute your mic? So let's create our header. Let's create our section. Jeremiah, can you mute your mic? Let's create our section and let's create our footer. So right here, let's create a. Okay, don't let us use your main. Let's just copy directly. So let's come here, down here, and then get over with the nav. All right, so we should have that, and then yeah, we'll just name it AXP. We change it from navbar to AXP site. SITE. So AXP site. So you should have this here. So now let's save. Once you save, and then you open in the browser, you should have this. If you don't have this, you're wrong. You guys have this? If you have that, say hi. Let's go back to the code. In the header tag, put in the nav.
Sorry, I was saying what you're doing.
Eh?
Nope. My network is kind of slow.
My network is slow. I'm sorry. Oh my god, all these network things. Sorry, man. Don't worry, you'll be able to cope. That's why the other videos at the end. So you guys can like pick it up if you like drop from anywhere. All right. So if your Kevin is your number showing like this?
Not yet. I'm still start coding this for the start.
All right. Wow.
Sorry, Mr.
Yes?
Wonderful.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Please, from that number, what do you say you should copy again? Tugla.
Yeah, in the toggler, see in this toggler part, you see the first example and the second example. Just copy the second example, either of the two. You can copy that the first or the second, and then you put it inside that tag. Yeah, any of the two works. But I'm copying the second one, so.
Okay. You can copy it in the other file, right? You can paste it in the other file.
Paste it in the header. Who does say file? Paste it in the header tag, not file.
So tag.
Yeah. And I know it was a mistake, but it's not file next time. All right, so paste in the header tag and then rename navbar to AXP site. AXP site.
Come again.
In that navbar, you see in the class navbar branch. Rename what is inside that class navbar branch to AXP site.
Come here. I need to get you.
Okay, so do you copy the second example or the first example?
This is the first one.
First one. An Igbo man. All right, change Eden brand to AXP site. You see a content Eden brand. So convert that Eden brand, delete the Eden brand and make it AXP site. Do you understand?
Still kind of looking for it. So oh no,
Should
let
show
me
like
the
this.
second one.
Come on, it should show like this. What you have here, Eden brand. See it here, Eden brand. Look at it. Go delete this thing and put AXP site. It's straightforward now.
Okay.
Don't say okay. Do you understand? If you don't understand, let me come.
Okay, I've seen it. You have highlighted
Oh my
it.
God, can you imagine? All right, just go to the Sublime text. Where you copied it to? Not on this place. Go to Sublime
I
text.
know.
Yeah, exactly. So nice. That's great. All right, so let's move on. Okay, so what we're trying to solve or what we're trying to achieve is this what's the name? Is this header part for now? Just this header part. The way this header part looks like. And so right now the header part actually has like this text here and then a login button and then a button here. So let's try and do that. So you guys should pay close attention. So we can just put like dummy text. We can just where's the code self? All right, so let's come here. All right, home, about us, contact us, and then careers. And then apart from that, when you finish from that, are you guys done with that?
Excuse me, wonderful.
Yep.
I didn't copy the right code. Where did you get this one?
Okay, so go to the Bootstrap site, go to Toggler. You scroll down. When you scroll down, you see a part that looks like toggle. Yeah, so this is the site. So look at when you come to this site, scroll down, and then you see somewhere called toggle. Exactly, can you see toggler?
Okay.
So, yeah, this toggler, you can copy either this one or this one. So I copied this one down.
Okay.
I think I can copy this one up. So I'm waiting for you.
All right, thank you.
Sorry, Mr. Wonderful.
Yep.
I can say that some parts are disabled. Are we going to change it to false or still leave it at true?
Yeah, so that's really smart of you. So so area disabled. Wow, that's very nice. I never even knew that you guys would know that. I thought we were just copying and pasting everything so you can show like my own.
No, I'm not even copying, but I'm following. I'm not with my laptop, I'm following. That is why I asked the question.
Wow, that's nice.
Yes, it's smart.
The people that even writing, they're just writing like that, gram. Good. Nice question, Smog. So area disabled true is just actually to add like is to add a disabled property. That's not necessarily what they use to disable items generally in HTML. So generally in HTML, if you want to disable any item, automatically when you just put disabled true. So if you put an attribute like this of disabled abled is equal to true, it automatically goes to the disabled version of that. If you put it on a button, it goes to the disabled version. You put it on an ahref, it goes to. But the only reason why you have area disabled here is because wow. So it's because the reason why we have area disabled there is because Bootstrap wants to actually like achieve a particular thing with their own disabled option. So they kept a different attribute. So don't worry, when we get in JavaScript, you know that you can actually create your own attributes in JavaScript. Like you can create an attribute called smog, and then you can create a value and say this is the way you want it to work. So don't worry, we'll get there. And so now we have area disabled. Area disabled is also an internal function in HTML, but a lot of times people don't really. So, but the main thing that's making that disabled not to really work is this disabled class. So this one actually has that color is this disabled class. So if I remove this disabled class and I remove this disabled class, you see it's actually going to still be showing like a normal button. Let me go back and refresh. And you see, I can actually see over and then. But if I keep that disabled class, so you can see that the area disabled is just for bootstrap to actually know that okay, that thing, can you see? No, I don't have that. I don't have that and sign for me to like select. It's just saying I can't click on it. So that's the difference between, so it's this class that's making all those things disabled. But the area disabled is trying to tell JavaScript, it's trying to tell Bootstrap that okay, well, this link you are using is actually disabled. So anything that you do for any disabled link, do it with it. So that's the reason why we have area disabled. You can leave it there, you can choose not to use it. When we actually move on in our classes, we'll start using them. But right now, I'm not sure you really need them. So you can either leave them or put them there. All right. So if you guys have copied about us, contact us, career, good, because I'm moving already. So now at this form part, just delete the whole form. Okay, no, I think I want to keep the button. Yeah, so just take away the whole form. Don't worry, you copy the button I'm going to do. Now, write another UL. Write another UL. Another UL class. So UL means on list. So UL means on list. UN and LIST. So that's UL. UL is for on list. And then want to give this UL a class or nav bar of nav, and then I'll just say ML dash AUTO. So ML auto is, I'm saying margin left should be auto. So it's going to automatically slide to the left. And then let's say LI, and then I'll say A href hash. I'll say login, and then I'll say LI, and I'll say A href hash, and then you guys should copy this button. Nav dash nav. Sorry, I think I missed that. So nav dash nav class nav dash item. Just copy this code the way I wrote it though. And class nav dash item. All right, so the way you see this code is the way you should write it. Continue writing. I want to quickly get water. How many guys? Hey. All right, so guys, I'm back. All right. Have you guys copied that? Are you still copying it? Hello, am I off the call?
Yeah.
All right. Please make it snappy. You have a lot to cover. Okay, so if you copy that, it's good. If you not copy that, I don't know what's going to happen now because I want to move to the next section. All right, so while I'm writing the next section, you can continue writing. So because what we're trying to achieve is in the header, I will just create another div class. Are you guys done with that? We are UL.
Yes.
Kevin, are you done with the UN?
Not yet.
Right.
I got lost a bit on the side which is part app code.
Oh, you got lost?
Yeah, these codes that are up, I don't know where to paste this one that I've copied.
Oh, you don't know where to paste it?
Yeah.
I said create an header, like create header, section, and footer. Create those 3 tags and then copy it inside the header tag.
Okay.
Let me show you the process again. Yep. So 1 minute. So look at me. Look at me. Can you see me?
Yeah,
Can you see my
just a
screen?
minute. Let me. Okay. Let me. Yeah.
So I do header. I do section. I do footer. Now let's come here and I'll paste my code. I'll paste my header code. Can you see?
Yeah. Yep.
Who is screenshotting?
It's me. It's me who are trying to resolve. In order not to get lost.
Okay, it's great. All right. So guys, let's move on. So I did class welcome underscore section. So if you read BEM, that's block element modifiers in CSS. If you don't understand, so I'm not really going to go into teaching you guys BEM. So you can just check it out for yourself. It's BEM, block element modifiers. It teaches you or trains you on how to name your classes in a more professional manner. So you don't start putting class boy, class girl, class boy, girl, class boy, girl, girl. All those classes that doesn't really make reasonable sense. All right, so as we move on, let's go. So create a class of container. I want to create a class of container. We have H3 with sorry for swiping up. I just want to see order our top rated recipes today. So the way it is done is it's not straight, it's broken. So that's why we have a BR. So order our top, then I have a BR and rated recipe. Yeah, okay. If you're here, you're good. If you're not here, you're wrong. Are you guys done? Jeremiah, are you following?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right, great. Okay, so let's give this H3 a class of text center. Class of text center. And then I'll come here and then I'll wrap my P also to the button. The reason I'm doing this is because the P doesn't automatically have a display of block, a position of block. So I'm going to put the P because the P actually has a position of block. You guys will get to understand this thing as we go. All right, so I'll say class BTN. That thing is orange, right? I will just use warning. WARNING, yeah, correct. So, and then what did it say? It says get started. So let's go get STARTD, started. All right, so you guys should write this. Waiting for you guys. I know this AI.
Hi.
All right. We don't have enough time. I think we maxed out on time. This is 11:14. We have probably 16 minutes more. Uh, Not yet. Come. Yeah, I'm using my phone for internet. So you're just distracted. All right. I didn't go to this. I was there this morning. I was working on. Alright, so guys, are you done? Are you guys done?
Yeah.
All right, so let's move. Swift. Okay, so now we are done with this. Is all we need on the HTML structure. If you reload your HTML page and yours is not like this, you are wrong. Okay, I think our what's the name is showing widely. It's logging. Let me try and check what's happening. Oh, sorry, I missed the class. Class nav link. Any view. So your home page should be showing like this. If it's not showing like this, something is wrong. Is it showing like this? Don't lie for me. Is the page showing like this? Guys, I need your reply now.
Yeah.
I can't be talking to myself. Is it showing like this?
Yes, it's showing like that.
Okay, it's showing like this. Good. So now go to a site called Pexels. Pexels.com. Pexels.com. There are free tons of stock photos that we can use. So I'll just pick one from there. We can use it as our background image. Pexels.com. So I would like to just check for food. So food, general food. So I'll just type food. And then I would like to use, yeah, these people look very, very great. So I'll choose this image. You guys can choose any image of your choices. But when you're done choosing the image, just come here. Okay, no, don't worry. Okay, yeah. Just come here and then copy image address. Can you see? Can you see this thing?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Copy image address. Right now, I don't want to download the image on my PC for so many reasons. If you know how to link the image on your CSS, good for you. But right now, I just want to like do it with CDN because I want to like cut a lot of processes. All right, so let's go. So in the CSS, I have a class called welcome section. One more thing, go to your header and give your header class header underscore section. I'm sorry that I'm not doing all these things. I'm meant to like I've done this before. So give your header class, your header tag a class of header section. I'll wait for you to do that. I'm counting down from 1 to 5. I'm really tired this afternoon. I said this afternoon. Right. All right, so let's go. So let's just give your header a class of header section. Now let's go to CSS and then do dot header then underscore section. And then here I'll just come and say background. I'll come and say background and URL Then let's copy this guy inside. So while we're done doing that, you guys copy it successfully.
Yeah.
Who is following me? Like just one person is doing this thing.
Yeah, I'm following you.
Kevin, are you
with
lost
you.
totally? Kevin. Make Kevin doing off the call, sir.
Yeah, I'm a bit behind. Just I'm following. I get lost whenever I switch the tabs of the computer.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
All right, let's go. So I would say if you copy that, let's do background size and then do cover. So I will show you how all this code works at the end. So do background size. Okay, no. If I do that, I'm already giving you guys the work once and for all. So let me do all those things. So have you done? If you done background, come here, write background image. Don't just do background. So background image, URL, and that thing. So background image and URL and put that thing. So the next line of property should be height, and then the height should be 750 px. Right, so it should be 750 px. So if you load your stuff, now okay. Jesus Christ. Oh, okay. Did we link our landing page CSS?
No, you did not.
Okay, copy that finish. So if you copy that, so we can link it. If you are done, say hi.
Hi.
All right. Anybody that is really not done, I'm sorry, you have to follow the video because I don't want to keep you guys waiting till like 12 o'clock. All right, so let's edit the link and then let's do ./css then slash landing then .css. Sorry, it's not capital letter landing. Now it's small letter landing. So if yours is capital letter landing, good. If yours is small letter landing, good. All right, so landing .css and then I save this. If I reload, I'm going to have this. How do you guys see?
Yes.
If you reload and you don't have that, you're wrong. I'm sorry. You didn't have that?
Okay, yeah, I have that.
Okay, great. So if you have that, great. If you don't have that, watch a video after I'm done with the classes. All right, so now the man head is showing more than the woman's head. So I will open my inspect element. So I will show you the way all these codes work perfectly. Because if I write the codes down for you guys might not really see the great difference. So let me try and widen this so you can see that. All right, so all right, so this is my image. This is the image tag, right? Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this dot header section? Can you see the two properties we wrote?
Yes. Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. So now I'll add this property called background size. Background size. So background size, I wanted to cover. So I'll say background size and then I'll say cover. So can you see that the man and the woman is showing perfectly now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, great. So we have background size cover. I would like to add background position too. Something we call background position. So background position will help us position this thing to the center. So I will say center. No, I don't want center. I want top. So I want the image to start from the top. So I can show the bottom of the image. I can position to the center of the image. I can position to the top of the image. So now I want to position to the top of the image. So that's what I want. So I'll use background position top. Can you guys see?
Yeah. Yes.
So now there's this very, very great trick that a lot of people don't really know that is mainly for overlay. So currently, because if we put our text as white, so okay, you guys should just do. Okay, no, just leave it for now. So currently, if I put that text as white, the white is not still going to show because the man's hair is white the picture background is kind of white. So they will not be able to see other our top rated recipe today. The text will be kind of blur. So there's this thing I call linear gradient. You can do linear gradient. I say you can do background overlay in 3 ways. You can do it in the linear gradient way. You can do it in the background blend mode way, and you can also do it in the position absolute way. So I would teach you how to use the background blend mode way. The next tutorial, remind me, I'll teach you how to use the linear gradient, and then next time we'll do something like this too. I'll teach you how to use the position absolute. So do background CK background blend mode, and then do overlay. So overlay, can you see? So background blend mode, do overlay. Now just come again and now do background color. Background color, then write hashtag 000. Can you see that the color is now black? If yours is not showing like this, then you're wrong. Is your color black? Background color hashtag 000. Is your color black? Eh? Is your color black?
The screen just went
Yeah, yes. Mine is black.
All right, great. So the only reason why your color is black is not because you kept background color black. If you go and if you unmark blend mode, that means you don't want that CSS properties to work. If you do like this, you see that the thing is still showing white. Is that blend mode that's making your background black? So you now come to this color part. I think Chrome has a color selector, so you can now come and reduce your opacity. Can you see? Can reduce your opacity. Can you see? Can you guys see magic?
Wow.
You can reduce this opacity. So now I will just keep the opacity to this level because I don't want it to really show. So my white text can show. So now I'm done with that part. I will just copy the CSS because I don't want to rewrite it twice. I'll copy that CSS and then I'll go and paste it so to make my work easier. IK, Jeremiah, are you following? Smoke, do you
I'm
understand?
following, but I do follow, but sometimes my screen goes up, and once it comes back, I won't follow again.
Hey, sorry. But do you understand where we are now, or you went off?
The thing just went off on this one, like it's due to network. When you get,
I'm coming. So where do you not understand?
like,
Where do you not understand it from now?
it keeps on going. It keeps on going on up and on. So I can't even start retracing myself back. So
Okay, don't worry. You take the video. Sorry, you take the video.
yeah.
All right, so let's go. And so we have background blend mode, and then that's for that. So right now, if you go back and then reload, the what's the name is supposed to be there. If yours is not showing like this, you are wrong. Go. Like yes.
In Bootstrap, I think they have a class W100 with
anybody that is talking now, please can you like text
can you
me?
hear me?
I can't really hear you. You're like, oh yeah, talk. I think it's nice now.
I said in Bootstrap there is a class called with W100 for imaging and for images.
Oh, W100. So W100 is what W100? Yeah, I can hear you. So what W100 does generally is to set the width of the image to 100%. So it just sets the width of the image to take over the whole screen. But right now, because you're using background, you're not using image. So image tag is different from background. So background is different from like image tag. Image tags sometimes they don't really like float. They don't really like float 100% width. Some of them just stays in the middle. So you just use W100 to like set the width to be 100%. You can use W50 to set it to 50%. You can use W25. I think it's on and on like that. So right now, let's just quickly finish this up. So I'll now come again. I taught you guys parental classing. So I'll copy this header section. I'll say .header section because I want to style the welcome. So I'll say .header section, then space, and I'll come to this. I want to style welcome section now. Space welcome section. So I will come .header section space welcome section, and then I'll go to my CSS and then I'll do space the welcome section. So I come there, and when I'm there, I want to do something. So what I want to do now is I want to do a display flex. I want to do a display flex. When I do a display flex, I want to do an align item center. Then I want to do a justify content center. When I do that, and I want to do an height of 750 px also. So when I'm done, it's supposed to be in the middle. Okay, maybe it's on 700 px. So I'm coming. Sorry, I'm trying to test something out. All right, guys, wait. Out on the call. Just wait. I want to try and sort something out so you guys don't get totally confused. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You know what? It's fine. Okay, let's go. So copy this code. Use 690. Copy this code. No, 700 is better. So copy this code. So display flex, align item center, justify content center, and then height 700 px. So when you refresh, you should have something like this. And one more thing, just go and add color. Say color hashtag FFF. Hashtag FFF is the X code for white. So you should have something like this. So let me go back to the code so you can see it. So now we have X code for colors. So colors like white, you can spell WHITE, it works also. You can spell RED, it works also. You can spell BLACK, it works also. But now we have their X codes. They are called X codes. So X code for white is #FFF 3 times or 6 times. You can do #FFFFFFFF 6 times. Or X code for black is #000. So there are other plenty X code. X code for light green is F5, H5, F5, F5, F5. There are a lot of X codes, and you don't really need to like put them up in your head because Chrome actually has a color wheel, so you don't really like put out, but you just need to know the basics like the white, the black, the normal ones, so you can put them in your codes like that. You can essentially use the normal wording. Most of the time, some people are really bad with spelling, so you can use X codes and all of those things. So if your one is not showing like this, you are wrong. Is it showing like this? Anybody that's following me?
Yes.
All right, great. Okay, so now and that text is too small, so I will say .w section, then this part, and then I want to use, what did I use? Did I use H1? How will I use H3? So it has to be H1. Convert it to H1, guys. Go back and convert it to H1. All right, I'll say H1. Have you converted it to H1?
Yes.
All right, so come back to your CSS and say the header section space welcome section, then H1, because inside the header section there's a welcome section class, and then inside welcome section class there's an H1 tag, and that's what I want to style. So I'll say font weight. I want it to be thick, so I'll say font weight. I'll say 900. All right, so once I say that, I should have something like this. I think the 900 is too much. So let's make it 500. Yeah, 500 is far better now. All right, so let's make it 500. So font weight should be 500. Font weight to be 500. Have you guys done that?
Yes. Yeah.
Who is drawing something on my screen? What is happening? Hey, what is this? Wow, wait. What is this? Somebody drawing something on my screen. Who is highlighting something with his pen on my screen? Somebody is using annotate. Who is that? Okay, I'm not sure the person knows he's doing that, but it's spoiling our call. How do they take this thing away now? Yeah, so I think, yeah, you can erase. Alright, good. So as you can erase, it is nice. You can see, let's move back to our call. So, welcome section H1 font weight. So now, I feel like the text is too close to the button, so I can just do margin bottom. Say margin bottom. I'll say 1 rem. So 1 rem pushes it to 1. So I think that one is better. Can you see it? You should see one small space that just moves in your button from your button to your text if you're following. Am I correct? Am I correct, guys?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, great. So now, lastly, I will just come and then do this and then start the button. Then we end the class. All right, so the button is meant to have the color of white. So I will say H1 and I'll say button. I'll just come and say color white because I want it to be color white. And also I'll say font size. Say font size. And I'll say 13px for reasons I want. So then, yep. So, okay, I think it's bad. Sorry. So I'll do padding 8px by 40px. I'll explain that part to you guys. Don't be scared. I'm coming. Let me make it 9px because I want the person to be. All right. So, yep. All right. So let me explain it. So, in padding, I told you guys margin is to this space out of the box. Padding is to this space inside the box. So now the spaces I'm leaving inside the box, the first 10 works for top and bottom. The second value works for the left and right. So if I say 10px, I mean 10px, this place, this top, and this top should be 10px, and this space should be 40px. Right? You see 10px, 40px. So just check up on padding. After you guys to check up on how many things. I'm not giving you assignments because I want you guys to produce one very nice thing for me on Saturday. So I'm avoiding to give you guys, bombard you guys with assignments. This thing I'm even giving you guys is an expo, so you can surprise me on Saturday with some nice things. All right, so other top rated recipes today. So now let's go back and go and check our mock-up if it looks like it. So can you see? Do we look like our mock-up or not?
Yeah.
Can you see that we look like it? So if you come to our own code base, we actually look more like it. Because we don't have these fonts and then we don't have a lot of things, but we actually look more like it. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
That's building. That's actually converting that's converting mockups to HTML code.
Yes.
So right now, let's give you guys an intro. We've never started building anything. So if you're confused now, go back to the code base and go and read it. So I will copy the landing HTML on the Slack channel and the landing CSS on the Slack channel. So if you want to take the code, it's fine. If you want to compare the code details, it's fine too. But either ways, I think that's really all on my own end. If you have any question, let me even do that now before I forget. So if you have any question, please shoot it out to me now. I think classroom. Any question, guys?
On Saturday, are you hearing me?
Mm-hmm.
On Saturday, the stuff you're supposed to demo, is it that this thing you sent on the Slack channel?
Yeah, I sent the mock-up on the Slack channel. So the mock-up I sent, yeah. So I told you guys like you can be flexible with it. What I mean by flexible, I mean like you guys can actually like try and do something extraordinary with it, or in that kind of layout.
Okay.
All right, with design SIGN. All right, let me create that snippet. And then I'll come here again and then create the snippet for CSS. So if you followed the code perfectly, it's great. If you didn't, either way, so the code is actually there for you guys. And landing lens, that's CSS. Landing CSS, that's CSS. So I have CSS. Yep. Yeah. I have the CSS. Here is the CSS. Your classroom. So I think that's really all on my own end. So if you don't have any question, you guys should really have a great day. I've been having like a very, very hard headache since afternoon. So you guys should have a great day. And please, I will beg you again. Always endeavor.
Question. Oh.
Oh God. Okay, question. Let's go. Hit me.
Yeah. How can we make the button clickable?
Currently the button is clickable now, can't you see?
Really?
Yeah, I can click the button. Can you see?
Okay.
It does this.
I can see.
That's why it's called the button. It's a bootstrap button. So it's currently clickable. Any other question, guys?
Okay.
All right, if there are no questions for me, I will beg you again. One more thing, I beg you guys, please always endeavor to learn at least one new thing every day. It has actually helped me. It has actually helped me like a long time, like a long way. Always endeavor to like search and ask yourself, what new thing have I learned in this thing I'm doing today? What new thing have I tried out? It's not even about learning. Try to try things out, because the moment you learn it and then you try it out, it sticks forever. So learn to like try things out. So once you've already learned to try it out, see how it naturally works, and then from there start picking things up. Do you guys understand?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Right.
Sorry. When will the video be ready? The video, when will you be ready? Preferably, will it be ready this night?
The video?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm the one uploading it, so this time around should be faster. So once I'm done, I'll just, because I know that a lot of people will be waiting for it. So I think that should be all. So I think that should be all for now, guys. Have a great night. Have a great day. I'll be ending the meeting now, guys. All right. Enjoy your day.
Okay. Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Bye. Good night.
All right, guys. End meeting for all.